What is a home? Is it merely a structure of concrete bricks, or do people make a home? This is not that place, but it houses people who once had a life and a family of their own. This is a home for the elderly run by the Najat Trust, an organization managed privately by philanthropist Malik Azhar. Time has not been kind to its residents. Their present is scarred by a past in which their own families decided to give them up for worldly things.
मुझे अच्छा लगता है, मेरे गुनाहों की तलाफी हो रही है, और ये क्या है? ये तो इम्तिहान है, चंद रोज़ा ज़िंदगी है, कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है, थोड़ी सी जलालत है, मानता हूँ मैं, मगर वो कुछ भी नहीं जो वहाँ आप देखें कितनी बड़ी अदालत होगी, हम जैसे कांपते मर जाएंगे। मौला किसी किस्म का कोई जवाब नहीं दे सकते, मौला तुझे सारा पता है।
Abdul Rahim is a 70-year-old man from Karachi. He found this sanctuary after his two sons beat him up for money, repeatedly chopped off his beard and threw him out of his own home. But he doesn't blame anyone. Rahim believes that God is watching and that he will get his retribution from him. On the walls of where he lives now are the scribbles of children. They are a leftover of the past when the building of the Najat Trust used to be a private school. But they are a poignant reminder of the old folks' own childhood memories.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the hill, world so high, shining like a little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
The nursery rhyme's slow tempo serves as a hollow echo, for ABRAR craves to see his children. His family, settled abroad, brought him here under the pretext that it was a hospital. They would take him back in a week, but ABRAR has been waiting for them to return for 2 years.
Do you miss them?
Yes, I miss them, yes.
Why don't you go back home?
I can't, I have no fear to go to my family.
Many have eventually lost their lives here, but no family or friends attended their funerals. Malik Azhar diligently keeps a record of the residents, their health and their basic needs. With 12 occupants and a caretaking staff of around 6, Azhar is covering the expenses himself. So far, no official from the government or any donor agency has contacted him, and he says he is spending about 0.3 million rupees a month from his own pocket.
लोगों को इस चीज़ का एहसास ही नहीं कि हमारी फैमिली क्या है या हमने अपने बुज़ुर्गों का कैसे एहतराम करना है। बच्चे जब अपने बुज़ुर्गों का एहतराम करते हुए देखेंगे तो अपने बुज़ुर्गों का एहतराम करेंगे। अगर एक पोता जो है वो ये देखेगा कि मेरा वालिद मेरे दादा की खिदमत कैसे कर रहा है तो वो आने वाले वक्त में अपने वालिद की खिदमत करेगा।
Azhar blames the condition of the old people on the declining value of the joint family system. Pakistani society is in flux, but compassionate alternatives have not been found for traditional systems. As the International Day of Older Persons is celebrated every 1st of October, this year's theme should be a wake-up call towards a society for all ages. For the elderly at the Najat Trust, the call goes unheeded. These people are remembered only once a year, yet they need their loved ones every minute of every day, all round the year. Dreaming of reunion sustained by false hopes, they have very little time left.
What goes around comes around, and this tale of neglect should serve as a warning. The children who have left their parents at the mercy of this place should not forget that they too will be parents one day, and that they too will have sons and daughters who might want to give them up. Danial Khan, DawnNews, Rawalpindi.